Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Okay, seriously, stop scrolling. I just found the definition of a dream kitchen, and I have to tell you everything. We are talking Modern Tudor meets total organic vibes, and honestly, it's a game changer. The drama here, insane. Look at this incredible lighting. It's architectural photography perfection, right? First off, the colors. It's bold, it's moody, and it totally gives luxury. We have these gorgeous matte charcoal gray cabinets that are so sleek. They paired that darkness with a white backdrop and massive black framed grid windows that flood the room with natural light. Look at those windows. They must be at least 7 feet tall. And then you look up, wow, the vaulted ceiling has these dramatic dark stained wood beams peaking maybe 15 feet high. It adds so much character, it's not even funny. And the island? Hello, masterpiece. This marble island is huge, maybe 8 feet long, with that dramatic gray veining. It's the perfect place to spill wine and look fabulous doing it. You know how sometimes kitchens can feel cramped or boring, like everything is beige and predictable? Not this one. This design uses bold, dark elements, but because the ceiling is so high and the windows are so massive, it feels airy, elevated, and super functional. Plus, that professional-grade stainless steel range means you are ready to cook. It's the perfect balance of old-world charm and sleek, modern utility. Seriously, I'm obsessed. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.